Hey everybody, it's Neil and I just opened this here and I haven't even unfolded it yet. This is by, what is it, Hardaddy I think, right? Oh, Hardaddy. And this is a purplish blue, I guess shirt is what they say, that's the color. So, and then it's got black and black on the back. And it is, yeah, comfortable, but it's like almost a dry wick kind of thing. Let me see what it's made of here, just curious. 100% polyester. So we're gonna try this thing on so you can see how this one is. And it's kind of good. It's a thicker than regular, like dry fit kind of stuff. I'm gonna say it's not quite that, but this is what it looks like here. Feels good on me. I'm gonna move you guys over here just a little bit so you can see. There we go, full length on it here. And this is good. It's a nice shirt. Fits me really well. I got a size large. I'm about 190 pounds. And this is what it looks like on the back here. It goes down mid-butt, I would say. So this is cool. It's a nice shirt, really nice shirt. So this is great. I think I'm just gonna keep wearing it today. So thumbs up for sure, very nice.